In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to white label an email address in Gmail. By the end, you'll have a simple filter that keeps trusted messages out of the spam folder, and, if you want, highlights them so they're easy to spot. Start by opening your web browser and signing in to your Gmail account. Once your inbox loads, look to the top right corner and click the gear icon to open Quick Settings, then choose See All Settings. This takes you to the full settings page, where you have access to every preference in Gmail. Along the top, find and select the tab labeled Filters and Blocked Addresses. This is where Gmail lets you build rules for how incoming mail is handled. Click Create a new filter to begin setting up the whitelist. A filter form will appear. In the From field, type the sender you trust, or enter an entire domain if you want to safe list every address from that company. Be precise here. Filters only work if the address or domain is correct. If you're using a domain, enter it in a way that clearly targets messages from that organization. Take a second to double-check spelling so you don't accidentally miss important emails. When you're ready, click Create Filter. You'll now see a list of actions Gmail can take whenever a message matches your rule. To whitelist, check the option that says Never send it to spam. This is the key setting that tells Gmail to keep those messages in your inbox instead of shuttling them to the spam folder. You can also add optional enhancements. If these emails are consistently high priority, select Always mark it as important so they're surfaced in priority inbox views. If you want quick visual organization, choose Apply the label and pick an existing label, or create a new one. That way, every message that matches your filter will be grouped neatly and easy to find later. When your choices look good, click Create Filter again to save everything. From now on, any message that matches the From address or domain you entered will follow these rules automatically. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Use filters thoughtfully. Whitelisting reduces the chance of missing something you need, but it's best reserved for senders you fully trust. And remember, you can always return to filters and blocked addresses to edit or delete a filter if your needs change. That's it. Your Gmail whitelist is in place and working. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.